Yes, this look went viral on Instagram, you guys. So today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this bronzy look from start to finish. So started off strong again by cleansing her face. This right now is a non-negotiable step in my makeup routine, whether I'm doing for myself or I'm doing for my girl. See how dirty her face is, even though she had taken a shower before coming. So you see why it is of great necessity and very essential that you cleanse your face with a micellar water. Someone said that using wipes without micellar water to wipe your face before makeup is just like bathing without using soap, and I quite agree. Okay, so from the start of this video, you know that this day was going to be a good day. First of all, before we continue, I would want you to go ahead and like this video, please. This is something that you all always forget to do, and it's not doing my video very well. Like the video so the algorithm can know that this video is helpful to you, because some of you all come to my WhatsApp to tell me how helpful my video has been. Trust me, the algorithm on YouTube does not know that. So before I continue with my complaining, right, I just went right in with my skin work. My base is the same routine: serum, moisturizer, and primer. So here right now I didn't want to post this because this would be that I've shared the video of this particular client multiple times on my channel, my page, and all that. But I mean, if any look it, I'm gonna post it. All right, so I just went ahead to do my foundation, and now I've done my contour using the VBT concealer. I displayed all of the products that I used. I displayed on the screen. You can pause, you can ask any question in the comment. Here I'm moving in to do my under eye to highlight the high point of my face, of the face of this model, of course. With that same model of this client. Okay, so now I didn't want to go too bright, but I am a sucker for a very bright under eye, hence why this video is looking really bright. We were actually going for a bronzy look. I wanted to do with a lot of browns. Okay, so now I am sculpting her nose stylishly, to give her a slimmer nose. Now I want to say something. This particular lady here has got to be my favorite material. Let me just put it that way. It's her chill, it's her poise, it's her intentionality. She want to look good. She want to do anything that's going to make the look come out really great, and I love her for that. Okay, so that out of the way, I'm just snatching her nose the way that I'm doing. So now this is it's not a must for me to first of all use a cream product to snatch her nose. Sometimes I just opt to using a powder towards the end of it, but I said let me just do a little bit of that. So here the hairstylist is taking out the first band to reband it again, so I had to pause for her to do that, and now we had to walk side by side, which was looking really chaotic, but I'm not going into the part where if she shakes her face it will affect me. That would be the eyebrows, and I'm not doing eyebrows at this point, hence why we're working to get that the way that we are doing. So by the way, this is my beautiful hairstylist, the gorgeous herself, styled by Love. So now we have banned the hair for the second time again. Now why they do that, I do not know, because that is not even my field. Okay, so yeah, and here I am highlighting her face. Okay, so this was really intentional that I do so. Is really intentional for me. Now that under eye is very, very necessary. That is really bright for me. So now I'm going in with my contour. I'm not bronzing this time, I'm doing a full contour, hence why I'm going with a really dark powder. If I wanted to just bronze, I would just use a powder that is dark but has like a reddish undertone, but this one I am using a very dark powder. So I went in with this, my blush from CPD. All of the products that I use will be in the description. You might want to check out the description or ask me in the comments. I usually would answer to your comments, and please drop me beautiful comments about this makeup. You guys do not always remember to subscribe to my channel, I don't know why. So here I am spraying the face with my current favorite setting spray. This is from Nia Beauty. Yes, I think, yeah, Nia. So I'm spraying it generously all over our face. This is the first spray of choice, and I like to do this when I have powdered everything so that it can calm all the powdery stuff right there. Okay, so moving on to securing my brows. I'm using the Brownmatic brow wax. Yes, I'm not using the clear one, I'm using the one with a bit of a color, so that you know you can do whatever it does. There's no reason, I just prefer that one. Yeah, there's a reason, because it's colored. So now I am going into her eyes. I think this is where all the magic happened. Now I use a brown base. I'm not using the normal white, Glam white, but I'm using like brow pomade. You can use any one of choice, either the Hager and Esther or whatever brown base you have. So I used the Charity brown base. Now, so here, I'm sorry I'm jumping, this video is jumping real fast. So I used my highlighter palette. I'm serious, the eyeshadow here is my highlighter palette. I used the highlighter from the Hager and Esther, the one that has 4-in-1 highlighter, to pop on this eyes to achieve this eyeshadow that you can see right here. Again, this is a proof to let you know that makeup does not have any rule at all. You can do whatever rocks your boat. You can pick a blush color that you love, you think it will be a good fit for a lipstick, go ahead and slam it on your lip, and you have a great lipstick. So here I'm just fixing her eyelashes. I've done her eyebrows, nothing serious, but I went bolder with the eyebrows this time as opposed to the last time that we did the makeup, just because, yes, I wanted it to be bold. I wanted it to, if you notice, her face is kind of, you know, wide, so I wanted something that will not, you know, disappear in her face, right? Something, I don't know how to explain it. So now I'm doing the same brown base that I used for her eyes. I used it to go over her liner point on her lip. Do whatever, I'm telling you, makeup does not have, just do a very beautiful outcome. I wanted to leave this lip lightly because I was going for a bronzy look. I just went ahead to finish up, you know, this is my favorite part of makeup anyways, finishing touches. Then I said, no, let me pop the lips a little, just a little bit. So here I am using a nude lip stain from, this would be from Nuban Beauty in the shade, I can't remember right now, but it's a nude shade. As you can see, it's on my hand right there. So here is me just, you know, blending everything together to ensure that I have like a perfect lip. Okay, so do whatever rocks your boat. This particular method, it rocks my boat every time. And yes, I just wanted yes, that's the lipstick. I just wanted a pinch of that peach in just the middle of the down part of the lip, and this was giving me joy in every level. So I went ahead to line her under eye. This is very, very important. So I lined the under eyes. So yeah, now that I've lined the under eyes, look at how beautiful that eyes is. I'm serious, this was no eyeshadow at all, but I used my highlighter to achieve this. So I went in with a brown color to kind of, you know, define the eyes a little bit more, the way that I'm doing. So I just use it across the crease area to sharpen that thing that I did there. Then I smoked under the eyes. You know, this is a compulsory step for me, not to talk of days that I'm doing a bronzy look. So I'm in a relationship with all the browns I can catch right now. Any brown is a good fit for this makeup right now. So I went ahead and touched the under eye again. So for me, under eye is a very important part of my my makeup look, because the truth is your under eye has to eat down every time. If not, this thing can easily mess up your makeup in a bit. I tell you the truth. So in case people ask me what the secret is, a very good under eye. Whatever happens to my under eye is very important to me. Now I don't know, my head's blocking you guys. Okay, so I went ahead to snatch the nose again with a brown color, something that works for what I did earlier. So earlier I did a cream contour. Now I'm doing like a powder contour. That's because our face is looking like all the browns, all the highlights are overshadowing it. Now they've taken light. I'm in Nigeria, you guys. I live in Nigeria. Okay, and the light is not back here. I just opened the door and I used the natural light. For the most part of this video, it was actually natural light because they were bringing and taking the light at several intervals. Now the band is going off for the last time. So you see that demarcation on her head. Don't worry, we fixed that real quick. But she had to brush the hair. Come on, this baby was given. Look at that. Look at this gorgeousness. See, to even think that I almost did not film this video on this day, but damn girl, what is this? No wonder this video went. Now we had to change into another outfit after some time, and no wonder this video went viral. If you have not subscribed to my channel, you've not liked this video, you've not commented, you are doing everything wrong.